So guys, this is the USDJPY we will be looking at for. But please, before we get started, click on the subscribe button, like and share if you've not. By the way, if you've not subscribed, click on it. You can also comment and watch out for it. Now let's take a look at this USDJPY. We would want to see where the price will be moving for the next day, which is on the 27th. Let's start it from the upper time frame, which is the weekly time frame. I love using this weekly time frame to better understand this movement of this USDJPY. So, and it will be able to tell us how to take this trade. There's only one movement we all can see on this USDJPY. Simple, it is a bullish move. Take a look at it from here. Since 2020, we've actually been having this bullish move, with meaning our USD itself has been going bullish, and we all can see it also that our JPY has actually been going bearish. You can also confirm it on the index where you see our USD index, pushing up, going higher, the index of JPY going bearish. So of course, when you look at these two index, when one is going up, one is going down, of course we can see that we would have an uptrend move on that such pairs, especially when there's a combination of such, which means USDJPY we are bullish, we are uptrend. Second is that this our USDJPY is above 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading on 10 period moving average. Once price is above 10 period moving average, we are to go long, but if it is below, then we are to short. So clearly here we are to go long on our 10 period moving average. So price is above 10 period moving average. So basically we can see this ice, right? This was the previous highs. Then this highs actually broke the previous highs. So this on weekly time frame, we are expecting this weekly time frame to actually break this previous highs here. So this previous candlestick here, we are expecting the candlestick to actually break above it, by the way. So which means we will continue to have that bullish move. But before that, we would want to see where the price will be moving for the next day. That will take us on the daily time frame. Now take a look at it from this on this daily time frame. Now see it, we can see this impulse move, you can see it. Then correction was made. It is very much visible on the weekly time frame. Another impulse move, a correction, right? Now another impulse move, right? And guess what, we add a correction, a little bit of a correction. And what do we think we will be expecting again? Another impulse move, waiting to break this ice. So daily time frame, we are also going bullish. Even our weekly says we should go bullish. Now let's take a look at this daily time frame. We would analyze some level here. We can see that this price came to this level, right? It's dropped. We had this huge wick. It also came to this level, second level again, second time. It's dropped. We had this huge wick, and again it came here the third time. We had this candlestick wick here. Now the fourth time we are close to that level, but we will get into that later. Now let's analyze a new level, which is one. Price dropped to this level, it pushes up. We saw it again, came the second time, pushes up, and the third time, it pushes up, right? So what we can clearly see on the daily time frame, as of recent, we are ranging. We all know the rules of trading. Trade what you see and not what you think. And what we clearly see on this USDJPY is that price is ranging, which means we are to also range with it. Now that is what the price is. Price actually dropped, and our prediction was that price will actually rise up to tap this resistance level, and which it has actually done so. So where do you think this price would actually be moving again? Now to actually get understanding of this price, we would actually roll up to the 4-hour time frame, roll down to the 4-hour time frame, sorry. So we see price drop to this level on the 4-hour time frame. It rose up, it dropped to this level again, right? It rose up. So guys, I want you guys to be expecting a drop again on our USDJPY. So guys, like I said again, be expecting a drop on our USDJPY, except, like I'll say again, except this price, except the USDJPY break above this week. Once the USDJPY break above this week, then we can now assume that okay, our price is now on an uptrend move. By the way, on this daily time frame, we are going uptrend, right? We are on a bullish move. There's no doubt about it. But for some time, this price is consolidating, ranging, and we are expecting it to continue to go uptrend. But before it goes uptrend, we would want to see it break above this week. So if price fails to break above this week, then I can show you that we would have a drop on our USDJPY. JPY. But if it manages to break above the wick, then guys, we can now go uptrend. So let's see it if price will be able to break above it on our London section for the next day. So I'm doing this analysis on the 26th, but on the 27th, on the London section, I'll be able to see if it will break above it. Then, placing trade on the New York section will not be very much difficult. So watch out for it on our USD JPY.